At a high level, there are things that businesses do that are sort of the norm. And there is definitely a common pattern that feels like an industry standard where companies are showing record profits, they lay off a bunch of people, CEO gets a big old bonus, they do stock buybacks. That's the pattern that we've seen over the last year. It could be considered industry standard now, technically. And I think that's the dilemma that we have as designers or as engineers, is there is somebody somewhere higher up in the food chain that's going to ask us to do something. And the thing that they ask us to do is typically going to drive profit. That's typically the end goal. But sometimes in the effort to drive profit, they are making either borderline unethical decisions or very clearly unethical decisions. Free trials is a good example of that, right? I signed up for a free trial to try something out, not to necessarily transact and give you the business money until I choose to do so. Now, the language and the user experience is weird on some of those free trials where if I'm not paying attention, the free trial goes to a paid trial. From my standpoint, unless I intended that to happen as a customer, that's a net negative economic impact to me as the customer. So that's where we've crossed the lines. We've produced a negative economic impact to the user because we took away that choice.